Morning, sir. In this activity, we will be making series and parallel circuits. First, we will make a parallel circuit and get its measurements. There. Um, to get its measurements, in voltage, we need to set the multi-tester to voltage, of course. Tapos, place the test probes on the legs of the resistor. Um, the the value of the voltage of the resistor is 5 volts. So the overall voltage of a parallel circuit is equal to voltage 1, voltage 2, and voltage 3. So they are all equal. To get its uh, current, we need to disconnect uh, a leg of the resistor. Then put one test probe on the leg of the disconnected resistor and one leg of the connected resistor. We need to set the multi-tester to milliampere first. Then, as I've said, we need to place the test probes on the leg of the positive test probe on the leg of the disconnected resistor and the negative probe to the leg of the connected resistor. There. See, it shows that it is 33 milliamperes. Then we need to connect it back. And as you can see, the value of the next resistors are the same. They are both 100 ohms in resistance value. So the current will be the same as well. Um, like earlier, we need to disconnect a leg and place the positive test probe on the disconnected resistor and the negative to the connected one to get the current. See, there. Um, Um, Here we go.
Yeah. Wait nga. Game.
There were minor errors in my resistor plotting. One leg was not aligned to the others, so I fixed it. And here we go. We can now measure the current of the 100 ohm resistor. As you can see, it shows that it is 48 milliamperes. So we can conclude that as 50 milliamperes. That is all for the measurement of the components of or the resistors of a parallel circuit. This time I will be making a series circuit, um, still composing of two 100 ohm resistors and one 150 ohm resistor. To get its voltage, we simply need to place the test probes on both legs of each resistors. We need to set it to voltage first. It says that it's 1.13, 1.4 when we round it off. Um, since both resistors are both 100 ohms, we can simply say that the next one will also be uh, 1.4 volts. And let's try to measure the one with 150 ohms. Uh, when we round that value off, it will be 2.1. So when we add up the values of the resistors to 1.4 volts na resistors and 2.1 volt resistor, we can conclude that the total voltage of the resistors is 5 volts, which is the given value of voltage. To get the current of the series circuit, we simply need to disconnect a jumper to disconnect the circuit and place our multi-tester to milliampere and place the negative probe on the negative pole of to the negative side of the circuit, then um, place the positive one on one leg of our resistor. See, the value of the current in all resistors is 13.86. That And that is how we get the measurements of um, the series circuit using a multimeter.